Hi everyone, so I filmed two videos today. This video is going to be how I did my skin, contour, and eyebrows, so if you want to know how I do those, then keep on watching. So as a primer, I'm going to use the Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum. This really helps your makeup stay on for such a long time. So you're just going to apply that directly onto the face and rub it out. I'm also going to spray on the Urban Decay Quick Fix priming spray. This is also a really good alternative to the Farsali serum. Both of them do a really good job at priming your face before your makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with a Tarte Amazonian clay. I really like this because I feel like it doesn't like damage my skin at all, and I'm going to apply that with a beauty blender from Real Technique. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to apply that, like always, in triangular motions right underneath the eyes. And as an extra for contouring purposes, I'm going to apply this on my forehead, my nose, and chin. So my camera didn't catch me applying this at first, but I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to apply contour along my cheekbone and nose and forehead area. So now I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush and blend that out more. I'm going to go in with the darker shade on the palette, and I'm going to put just a little bit and kind of blend that out just so you can really see the contour. And then for loose powder, I'm going to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and it's a translucent. And I'm going to just kind of put that underneath the contour. And I had already put some under my eye already, but I'm not going to blend it out just yet. I'm just going to leave it there. And for eyebrows, as always, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and my camera didn't really focus that well, but you can see the general motions that I'm applying this right underneath the where your hair starts. And I'm going to go a lot darker towards the tip, and I'm going to be very, very light right in the inner corners because I don't want it to be blocky. I want it to like really like look more natural. So I'm going to underline the top part of my eyebrow and the bottom. You don't want to go over your hairline too much because then it's going to look really fake and blocky. So as you can see, I used just a regular brown eyeshadow. I'm going to go over that a little just to kind of set it. And it's also going to help kind of create that transition into that lighter brown to darker brown in the inner corners of my eyebrows. And then to clean everything up, I'm going to use a concealer that I always use that has a very moussey consistency. And I'm going to go right underneath where I lined my eyebrows. You don't want to go over any hair because that's where you started going in with the dip brow, and you don't want to really erase what you did. You just kind of want to clean it up. Then I decided to go in with the lighter shade of the Shade and Light Kat Von D palette just to really blend everything out really well, and you can really get a more natural contour look instead of just a really sharp line. Then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop highlighter, and I'm going to apply it with my finger just because I feel like the consistency really shows better when you apply it directly onto your face rather than with a brush. I feel like it would just kind of get stuck to the brush more. I'm going to go in with an MUA Undress Your Skin Shimmer Highlighter just to really emphasize that highlight on your cheekbones and your nose. Then I'm going to go in with the Milani Cosmetics, it's the Baked Powder Blush in Rose d'Oro, and I really like it because it has a very rose gold tone and it really goes well with the bronzer. And then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This really does make a difference if you want your makeup to stay on long, and that's the finished skin look.